gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ruston, Claiborne, Grambling, Farmerville, Sterlington, Dubach, Shrewsbury, Simsboro, Chatham, Vienna, Eas, Downsville, Drew, Arbon, Mount Zion, Folksville, Rocky Branch, Mineral Springs, Deshard, and Unionville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Jackson, Lincoln, Washita, and Union.